Beauties, I have here tonight the March Icon box from Ipsy, so I thought it'd be super fun to do a makeup subscription box unboxing 2024. Let's just throw that in for the heck of it. So if you're here for it, then let's go ahead and dive right in. The theme for this month's Ipsy is rewrite the rules, and I could not be more here for that. Are you guys here for it? I am totally here to rewrite the rule. I'm down for it, guys. Are you? I'm ready. Is what I'm saying. I'm ready. Let's keep it moving though. There's so much in here to check out. So first up, the first thing I just grabbed out is probably my Ipsy Glam bag from March. Now, where did okay, here's my scissors. Have you guys gotten your Ipsy Glam bag from March yet? Are you loving it? Let me know down below. I know a lot of you beauties also love Ipsy, and it's an amazing value. Now, the Glam bag is, I believe, $14 a month, and you're getting 5 pretty much deluxe size samples. They're you know, sometimes they're calling them samples, and I'm like, these are full size, girl. I'm like, there's no way this is a sample, a deluxe size sample. A lot of times they're full size. And oh my goodness, you guys, look at this. They always give you a gorgeous bag as well, and this bag is absolutely stunning. I hope you guys can see it's this just beautiful marbleized, beautiful purple. This is just absolutely stunning. Wow. It has these circular accents on the pull tab, absolutely beautiful. So let's go ahead and see what's inside though. It looks like we got a palette here. So, okay, let's go ahead and open it. Everything always comes very well packaged. You know, that's another thing about Ipsy. I've never gotten anything broken, which is pretty amazing because I do get the icon box and there's a lot in here and nothing has ever come broken. So that is amazing. So up first is the Life of the Party Volume 2. Oh my goodness, look at how beautiful. How beautiful is this packaging? I personally love black and pink. It's just like gorgeous, gorgeous color combo. And then let's see the oh, it's beautiful mauves. And you're getting 2 mattes, a shimmer, and a glitter, a pressed glitter. Sharing a quick look using this palette. This is, again, the Life of the Party palette, Volume 2 by Shades of Sean. So I've tried a lot of different products from this brand, and they have all been excellent. And they are available to purchase at JCPenney. So if you do have a JCPenney near you, you can go in store, and you can purchase this palette and other makeup goodies from Shades of Sean. So how gorgeous is that? I'll definitely be back and we can do a look together. I know a lot of times I'm going to try to stay focused because a lot of times I want to just play with everything right now. But I'm going to definitely be back and we'll play with it. Oh my goodness, you guys, look at this. Tatcha, the Dewy Skin Cream. Now, I used to use this all the time. I was actually thinking about getting back into this. I used to use this again all the time. So this is so good. That's a beautiful, nice size sample. Definitely will last you. I mean, if I only use a little bit, but I have oily skin. So if you have very dry skin, but a little bit does go a long way with these products. So this would probably last for me. This could last a few, like maybe 2 months because I only use a little bit. But anyway, guys, now here is, let's see here. We also got the Eliman Beauty, I'm sorry if I'm saying that wrong, lip liner. Stop. I can't, guys. I can't resist. What color is this? I'm a lip liner addict. Oh, it's beautiful. I hope you can see, but it's this beautiful, it's a beautiful deep nude. So love this. Cannot, well, we'll definitely be back and we'll test this out because it's called the So Sophisticated Lip Liner. Retractable. Oh, here is something nice. Beauty Creations Coconut Mango Setting Spray. Stop. I thought this was going to be, say, a body mist. It must be infused with coconut and mango because it's not really scented. It actually smells almost fragrance free, but it feels so good. I hope, let me go take a look-see at myself. My skin feels very nicely hydrated right now. Wow. Let's let it dry down, but that is really nice. Wow, because I do feel the moisture. Again, I've been trying a lot of setting sprays as a setting spray addict, and so many of them you don't feel anything. You know, you really just don't feel anything at all. So I don't know why. I was putting it down to this mister and the sprayer not working right, but or not. It's not that it doesn't work right on different ones, but it's like you just don't see anything. But this I did feel. I do feel like my skin feels more moisturized. Let's see if it dried down yet. I think it did. I think it did moisturize my skin. Can you guys see a difference? Let me know. But let me know if you've got that one, what you think. Now here is something else. It looks like apple matcha tea clearing toner. So how awesome was that, you guys? So anyway, beauties, here is my Ipsy. It says right here, this is the BoxyCharm Icon Box. So let's go. Oh, I love when BoxyCharm sends these kind of magazines. They have so much information in here, so much inspiration and deals and steals and all kinds of good stuff that you can take advantage of. So tips and tricks, love that. And then here is what we've been waiting for, more good stuff. Let's see here, you guys. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Galactic. Oh, this is a woman. Maybe everything from this box today is woman owned. I'm not really sure who owns Tatcha, but this I know is woman owned company, Galactic. And this is their Sugar Face Scrub. Can't wait to try that. And then here is Dew of the Gods Amalfi Coast Heaven Grade Hair Serum. Wow, this has beautiful packaging. Have you tried this yet? I haven't tried it. We'll try it out together or something. Oh, here's something from Olympus, Peptide Eye Recovery Cream. Oh, I can't wait to try this because I absolutely love Olympus products. And it says it's for tired, overworked eyes. Revives, brightens, and hydrates. Oh, I cannot wait to try this because I'm an eye cream addict. I have, I see a huge difference with different eye creams. I'll see immediately if they work or not. My eyes are that thirsty for products and whatnot. And I have the hooding. So some things will really, I really see a difference with some things. Right now I'm hooked on the Neocutis. The Neocutis eye cream, I still can't get off that one. But the Derma E was a very good eye cream, and it's only like maybe $20 or less. But clean beauty ingredients. But I can't wait to try this. I had a sample of the La Mer eye cream. I really didn't see a difference with that. So that's very pricey, but again, I know I used to use the Chanel eye cream, and I did see a big difference. If you're looking for eye cream and you're like me and you have hooding and things like that, the Chanel one worked good, but very pricey though. And I think now they even raised the price. But the Neocutis is my #1 jam right now. But I can't wait to try that because maybe it'll work. And I will let you beauties know. And let me know if it worked, if you've tried it. If it has worked for you, let me know down below. But here is the Wander Beauty eyeshadow palette. This one is called Trailblazer. So I will be back and we'll do a look with this as well. And then here is, what is this? Oh, this is from TYS Beauty Lip Butter Jelly Shea Butter Lip Gloss. So cannot wait. We'll try this out as well. That sounds amazing. Shea Butter Lip Gloss must be very hydrating. So, oh, beautiful packaging. Love that. Very unique. It reminds me of candy for some reason. Wasn't there? Oh, a candy. I used to dip it in the powder and eat it. What was that called? I forgot. Dipsticks, something like that. So beauties, that's everything that I got in my Ipsy icon box this month. So I'm really excited to get into everything more and test it out more. Let me know if you've tried any of these. Have you gotten any of these in your boxes? Let me know down below what you've been loving. And I will definitely be back. I can't wait to be back, and we'll make a look with this Trailblazer palette from Wander Beauty. Also Shades of Shaw palette. Looks really like a ton of fun. 4 eyeshadows to choose from. Very easy and nice to take with you on the go. So that's pretty much it, beauties. Oh, this felt so good. So this seemed very refreshing and nice. So that's really good. So I have so much here that I can come back and we can play with together and test out together. So anyway, beauties, I hope you're all doing good. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. Let me know what you think of this box. So that's pretty much it, beauties. I hope you're all doing good, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.